What is going on, SRT gang? It's me, SRT Reels. Welcome back to another banger video. Banger. Today we got the Hellcat hood right here, and I think today I'm gonna be throwing it on the Chrysler. So yeah, but before we get into that, make sure you drop a like and smash the out of that subscribe button, because not even half of you guys watching this is subscribed, and we just hit 50. We're on the road to 100, so I appreciate your guys' support after just starting this. So yeah, I think I have a couple errands to run before we get into the main part of this video, so if you guys want to stick around, go ahead. If not, I will post a timestamp of me installing the hood in the video below, so you guys can just get into that part. But if you guys want to stick around, that is also appreciated. So yeah, I will film me driving and stuff because I might have to drive the 300. So yeah, and there's no cold starts either because I was already driving it a lot today. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I have to do something, or if I'm on the road doing anything surprising. So yeah, peace. All right guys, I'm getting on the road right now because I gotta go pick up my dad from the Ford dealership because he's got to get an oil change. So coming out of the neighborhood, I will give you guys a good pull. So I'm gonna start giving you a POV right here. I'm gonna throw myself in auto mode, and we're clear. Police! Help! Police! That sounded good. I spun a little bit because I'm on all season tires, but I am. That was a turboed F-150. Those things are fast. But I'm gonna just drive normally because I have almost no gas. And I have no money at the moment.
Broke nigga alert.
So I'm just gonna drive normally. I'll come back to you guys when I get to the dealership. So peace. Alright guys, so we're heading onto the freeway right now. I'll give you guys a good little tunnel pull. I can hear my burbles in the background.
You're driving too fast? Jail.
This thing sounds crazy. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I get to the dealership. I just wanted to include a little pull in here. So yeah. And if any I can't speak. If any of my family members if any of my family members are watching this video, I'm going 70 miles an hour. Yeah. So don't freak out.
Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
Okay, well, anyways, I'll come back to you guys when I get to the dealership. So, peace. Alright guys, I'm pulling up to the dealership right now to pick up Pops, and then we're probably gonna throw on the hood. So yeah, it's a Ford dealership, but I'm in a Chrysler. What kind of irony is that?
I don't give a fuck.
Anyway, I'm gonna just park somewhere and then walk in there. My parking is actually dog shit. Check that out. No, I'm kidding. I just saved it. roll these windows up, throw on the parking brake because we're out here in a pretty dangerous area. Not dangerous, but yeah. We're here to pick up Pops. So, because his truck's back there. He's probably in the dealership right now. I'm going to go in and grab him. I'll probably film some cars while I'm in there. So, yeah. Commence Ford dealership montage in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we're back on the road. I got Papa Bear right there. We're gonna go home, see what we have to do to throw the hood onto the 300, and then, yeah, I'll probably set y'all up and do a time lapse while we put on the hood.
No.
So that you guys can see a general process. So, yeah. We're on the way home right now, so I'll come back to you guys when we get home. Peace. Alright, so I got these gloves on, but we got old hood out there. We got those two up. We're about to put the new one on. So, and then later on we're going to get it painted as well as this, because that's also going in the engine bay. So, I'll come back to y'all, or I'll start a time lapse.
No.
When we put the hood on. So, yeah.
Shut your lame ass up.
So, I never filmed the time lapse.
Oh my god, bro.
We're putting on the finishing touches here. Now, let's see. There you go.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
In the meantime, I'm gonna.
Entonces pasamos luego a East Point y hacemos alguito.
¿Qué hay que hacer allá, amor?
Las
You gotta-
escalas y pues terminar eso que ya está pintada.
Espera, papi.
That nozzle isn't going in all the way. Did this one? Okay, there you go. This one went in all the way?
That one.
Okay. There you go. Well, there's the hood completely in. I think it looks good like that.
No,
He doesn't. It'll buff out when they paint it.
Yo creo que lo pintaron en alguna
Es que vienen así, negamos.
Like it comes black like that.
Lo remaron algo y así lo...
So, when I get that all packed up, I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen. So, yeah. Well, there's the hood done right there. It looks good in my opinion. But yeah, there's the hood. I'll come back to you in a second. We're just about wrapping up the old hood, and then there's the new hood. The new hood looks good, white and black, but I just can't wait for it to get paint matched, because that's what I'm looking for. There's a bug right there, but it looks good. It just needs to get paint matched like that, and it should be good like that. Because if you come back here, yeah, that looks good on the 300. And from the inside, you have steering wheel and the hood right there. Let me see. Those work. Yeah, those work. Okay, good. Yep. So, We were just picking up the hood. So, I'm gonna leave you guys for a second. Because I gotta put this old one back in the garage. And then I'll come back to y'all when I go to Dairy Queen. Because I'm about to apply there. Because Tropical Smoothie is gonna take their time with me. So, yeah, peace.
So it is currently the next day. I completely forgot to record yesterday. Oh! I never went to Dairy Queen. I went to a bonfire, and I didn't take my car, so there was no point in filming there. And I will be editing this today and dropping it later today. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below what content I should upload next. Again, thank you for 50 subscribers. I know it's not a lot for a starter, but just, yeah, thank you for actually, like, showing your faith in me or whatever.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know. Yeah, other than that, y'all stay safe. Stay tuned for the next one. Those are my dogs. SR Cheerios out.